Hi, this is Alex from devstories.eu. Power BI Fundamentals, Episode 6 of 14. If a stakeholder needs more than 5 seconds to figure out what your dashboard is telling them, you have lost their attention. Sticking 10 unrelated pie charts onto a single screen is not analysis, it is just visual noise. Creating a guided data story requires deliberate design, and that brings us to the art of the report canvas. A Power BI report is a multi-perspective view into your underlying semantic model. The report canvas is the blank workspace where you build that view. It is not limited to a single screen. You can add multiple pages to a report, much like a presentation. This allows you to break complex business questions down into a logical sequence, dedicating different pages to different aspects of the data. You populate the canvas with visuals. These are your charts, graphs, tables, and maps. Choosing the right visual is only the first step. The layout dictates how your user reads the information. A well-designed canvas guides the eye naturally from top-level metrics down to granular details. To manage complex layouts, you use grouping. Grouping allows you to tie multiple visuals, shapes, and text boxes together. When you group items, they scale and move as a single unit. This keeps your layout precise and prevents carefully aligned charts from shifting when you adjust the page. To maintain a professional look across all those pages, you use themes. A theme is a set of predefined colors, fonts, and formatting rules. You apply a theme to the report and every visual updates to match it instantly. This enforces consistency and stops you from manually typing color codes into dozens of separate charts. Here's the key insight. The real power of the canvas is not how the visuals look, but how they behave. In many reporting tools, charts are isolated pictures. In Power BI, visuals on the same page are deeply connected by default. They naturally cross-filter each other based on the relationships in your semantic model. Think of a regional performance report. You place a bar chart showing sales by product category on the left and a geographic map showing store locations on the right. If a user clicks the bar for the electronics category, the entire page reacts. The map instantly highlights the specific regions that sold electronics, fading out the rest of the map. The user did not search for anything, and you did not write any routing logic to make the interaction happen. The canvas knows these visuals share the same underlying data, so touching one automatically shifts the context of the others. This behavior turns a static page into an interactive exploration tool. The art of the report canvas is learning to step out of the way. By combining clean layouts, consistent themes, and native cross-filtering, you allow the user to ask their own questions simply by clicking the data in front of them. That's all for this one. Thanks for listening and keep building.